I am just a kid, so hardly fit my mittens. This place is known for apparitions, so.
And we've always got injuries, isn't it?
Fantastic. Now, in the night time, a lot scarier than when we did it as a day tour. That's quite a bit. Did you just hear that?
Was that a car?
It was like a howl. Like it was like a woo.
I'm gonna assume it was a car.
A lot of weird noises.
Really?
That howl thing was weird.
Is it the bats or?
No, it's like movement in
Oh.
close.
Well, let's stop here. Hey, is there anyone here who wants to chat?
It can get a voice in over the
The helicopter's a bit loud, so you might have to come over here and
yell.
and talk to us.
Could you please go to your destination?
We need a PA for the helicopter, excuse me.
Are you going to block that out? Because we do have children.
Now, apparently, I am very big with the youth. Hi, Emma.
Cut that.
Hi, Emma. So if there's anybody here, were you behind us? If you can just talk into this.
Hello. Or Guten Tag. That's probably good morning, to be fair, in German.
No, that's Guten Morgen.
Oh,
maybe I did get it right. Guten Tag.
It's Guten Tag goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen is
Right.
goodbye.
Can you help us out? Minus the train.
Damn, it is a loud cemetery. Oh, sick. Love
What's
succulent. What?
The lights straight through the red lights.
I don't know.
Brake light?
It is car brake light.
It's like your eyes play tricks.
Yep.
You can see things like
Yep.
fluttering through
Yeah. I was starting to get a headache, but it went away, so whatever it was gone.
Well,
When there's some shit.
my name's Rhiannon.
I'm Kate. Hi.
Kelly.
What's your name? Did you have a fun story that you wanted to tell us that you haven't been able to tell someone? It's just something you want to share?
Shame you can't give a glass.
We could give a grass review.
Grass review.
There's not a lot of grass in this cemetery, but
It's a bit crunchy.
yeah, just by feel, without being able to actually see it, I'm not too impressed.
I'm not certain how lush it is. No offense. There's headstones knocked in. Just
Look at
So
this.
you'll
It just
never
says,
know.
like,
Yeah.
They were probably expecting more people were going to be buried
Good
here,
mother sadly missed.
so they left a lot of space, and then
Oh, that's so sad.
probably expecting more people were going to be buried
Good
here,
mother sadly missed.
so they left a lot of space, and then
Oh, that's so sad.
To do a grass review just quickly.
oh yeah, grass review. Yeah,
Crabby.
Um,
Isn't it
it's
crab
not.
grass?
It's not good.
no, but it's not long.
It's not long, but it's
It's
not
not
a nice type of grass.
No.
So like,
It's not lush.
look, I'm going to give it a 6. Anyone else want to weigh in?
Yeah, look, a 6 is, decent, respectable.
Like, at least it's cut down. Like,
Yeah.
we've seen some pretty shit.
It's not knee height and I don't need
Yeah.
to worry.
Yeah. It's just not a nice type of grass. That's why I'm deducting points.
Why does it feel like it just got dark?
Because we turned our torches on.
No.
No, but like, you know.
Yeah, no, we know what you're talking about.
No.
No, but like, you know.
Yeah, no, we know what you're talking about.
Like, once at Toowong, it was like you couldn't see your hand in front of your face.
I mean, I'm pretty pale.
I'm pretty reflective. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's a cat's eyes, so you can really see them. This is where the funny feeling is.
Yeah, let's stay here for a bit.
Yeah.
I don't know which way to have my back.
Do I need to sing?
Yes.
Firework. Katy Perry.
Because baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colours burst. Make them go, ah, ah, ah. Do you want more?
I'm gonna get my fake lighter out.
When you said, just before you said, do you want more, I thought I heard what? Footsteps.
He wants to come here. Do you want more Katy Perry or do you want some Jesus songs? Because I can do either.
Come on over. Stop being a creeper.
You're a bit creepy,
I thought you were going to
mate.
start singing Christina Aguilera. Come on over.
Come on over. Come on over, baby. Do I need to do my cat vomit dance? Will that appease them? Will that appease the spirits?
What dance?
My cat vomit dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've seen it, I'm sure you have. Do I need the torch? Hang on.
Somebody come here. She easy.
Remember last time I got like on the ground and I was like, somebody can.
That's quite agile right there. And I love that it's just put some levity to the whole thing.
Yeah, so that, you know, there's some creeper. Maybe it's the guy from down.
Well, I certainly impressed him, didn't I?
I love that he's like, I might just stay a little bit back.
No, he's like, I'm just want to make sure you lot leave.
No, honestly, sometimes I think that's why they follow us to the exit. It's not because I'm going to follow you home. It's like, get out. This is my house.
All right, well, let's go to Toowong.
Okay. Okay, let's ride. Look at that view.
Oh, stunning.
So down there is sort of creepy town in there.
Yeah, there's a road that goes along the bottom there.
Oh, we will walk a bit slow because this is like a
Creepy
workout.
town. Yeah, I was going to say, this
No,
light
this is a
incline is
workout.
bullshit.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know.
it's obviously light from something.
Yeah. That is fog. We're walking through it. Are we that high up?
Oh,
I don't like it. I'm not going to lie.
no, I just saw a black. I full on saw a black.
Where?
Straight down there.
So in the garden?
No, yeah, right down. I'm gonna put this on for a sec.
Okay, go.
Down there.
Standing?
Yes. It was like
You can only talk to us if you're nice. If you're going to be mean, you're not allowed over here.
No, I'm getting creeped out.
I'm getting really creeped out.
Why does it feel so?
This is Toowong. Welcome to Toowong.
No.
Yeah, I don't like it.
No, behind us.
I don't like it. What did I say about being nice? What? What'd you hear?
I keep hearing a voice.
What did it say?
It went like it was saying something when you said I told you to be nice. It sounded like it said something.
No.
Why am I hearing the voices?
I don't know, they
hear the
like you.
voices.
Like that fog
It's creepy.
adds to it.
It's gross.
It's really creepy. See, I do appreciate the safety of the outer roads. I really do, because you can just dart out there so quick.
Yeah.
And
That's a
if
person.
anyone
That's a
came in-
person.
Hello.
I love that I'm just chatting so much and he heard all of it. He heard my whole escape plan.
Oh, he
heard-
just dart out.
He heard my whole escape plan. He's just standing there, it's okay. But first of all, he's a twink. We could take him, 3 of us.
I'm a goalkeeper.
Literally.
I put my hand out this bad.
I could crush him with my pinky, we're fine. He's way back on the path.
Yeah, I'm just.
And I have been looking back and I haven't seen him
Make
following.
sure that he's,
He's not following.
not being there. Yeah, look, good grass reviews, Rihanna.
Well,
That's 10 out of 10.
at this point, we're actually reviewing dirt, if you ever looked.
No, but that is better
Then overgrown.
than overgrown because it looks bad. It's like
Well-
people are supposed to come in.
I was going to say, at least people can actually go in now and say hi. Here's the hut.
There's a horse.
Oh my god, what? Who is she?
You have a seat, Kate. It's safer than having your back to that wall down there. Okay, obviously.
Here, what? The folks come down here, by the way.
Stop it, there's movies about that.
But it's down here now. You can't see it? And I've got visual snow, so if I can see it.
That's probably why you can see it.
My visual snow has like fog sensors.
Yes. You're still hot now.
I am warm.
My upper lip is moist.
My mittens are no longer required.
Shall we pick up my bag?
Oh no, I'm carrying it. So I can slap a bitch.
What, you think if somebody comes on you and go, oh,
Yeah.
excuse me.
And they'll go, oh my god, excuse me.
I'm not really getting anything at the moment. Are you?
I feel like this, like outside of the hut, I always get freaked out when we sit in a hut that's so exposed like this. You know how the other hut on one of the walls is completely blocked off? So you can sit there and not feel like a sitting duck.
Just sitting duck.
Quack.
That's what we are.
Hey, do you want to hear my duck call?
Yeah.
Come here, duck.
Where did you learn that?
Into a Mighty Ducks reference.
The fog has really descended.
Yeah, it's gone now. Oh, it's still up there. But it's not over here. It was like right over here.
Do you think it was rolling in like that movie?
It's over on that lawn there.
Do you want to move?
Sure.
Where do you want to go?
Well, up the hill takes us to the bench seat.
Oh, is this
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Have you been dating Jimmy?
I don't know Jimmy.
I dated a Jimmy once for about 3 months. And he cheated on me.
Damn.
And I caught him. And then about 2 years ago, he sent me a friend request on Facebook.
And you're like, go away, Jimmy.
And I was like, why have you been like looking for me? He was a loser. And my brother knew him from indoor cricket. And so because my brother was like, oh no, he's a loser. I'm like, oh no, he's not.
You're like, my man.
Yes.
Don't talk about my Jimmy like that.
Because Mum had listened to Andrew, so she's like, oh, and I'm like, oh no, my man.
My man.
Look, we're about to go home, so can you come on out?
Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom.
If anyone was having fun with us tonight, I ask that you stay here. This is your home. We'll be back another time to hang out. What?
If at one time we did all of that, and then I got here and I'm like, oh, my car keys are gone.
Shut. And then we had to go back across that whole.
We'd have to do the whole thing again.
Oh, no.
With the torch.